All right, good afternoon, actually. It is April 28th, 2021. It is Wednesday, and it is Vlog 81. It's hump day, and halfway through the week, and I was tired this morning. Actually, I had to wake up really early. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, so just for a physical checkup. But actually, I found out I have high cholesterol, so I gotta take some drugs and see what's up. Everything else is fine except high cholesterol. I guess I gotta watch my diet. So I think I need a tuning this morning. Yes, for sure, I need a tuning. Oops. Always good. Nice. So, let's check out the weather today. What do we got? Ooh, 68. Oh, it's going to be 70. Nice. Nice day. It's going to be 70. I'm excited. Amazing. Let's see. And actually, it's supposed to get warmer and then cooler. How weird. The weather's been weird. Spring weather is always weird, I think. So, crazy. All right, let's recap from yesterday. Whew. Yesterday was kind of busy yesterday. I woke up at 9. I think I did my vlog late, so you guys got a little bit of it already. But I woke up around 9. Then I had to get ready to go to DII. I had an appointment like at 12, but I was gonna leave early. I did leave early, and when I did, I know we've been talking about the car debacle. The noise in the car, and whenever you go to the dealer, like I took it there twice, and the noise wasn't. It didn't make the noise. But finally, yesterday when I first got in the car, it started to make the noise. So I went straight to Lamb's and dropped the car off, and then he finally heard it. So the car is in the shop currently, and I don't know what's wrong with it. So I guess they're working on it today. And yeah, and so I had to Uber over to DII, and I still made the appointment. And I had an uke appointment with Diane, and she's new to ukulele, and she just wanted to see how to start and all that other stuff. So it's kind of cool because I got to share with her my story and how to start ukulele, and I totally understand where she's coming from because I didn't know anything when I first started, and I just had to figure it out. So I gave her some good information, and she bought an ukulele, so it was good. And hopefully I'll see her on our Ook social and stuff like that. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see. Then Dave was there, and we actually hung out because I got some new. We were rearranging the store, and we got some stuff, or we hung these new curtains so we can block off the whole area, and that was cool. It's kind of crazy because I had to find these little clamps, and there was only one place to get them. It was like weird, but we got it done. It was kind of cool, and we actually had these curtain rods like pretty much since the beginning of the year. We haven't had a chance to get them up. It was kind of crazy. So we finally did that. Yeah, I just worked in the shop a little bit, and then I came home, did the vlog, and then did my 100-day song last night. I did Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. I do a lot of Eagles songs. It's kind of crazy. They have good songs. And it's day 87, so there's only 13 more to go, but I still I have to write some songs. Actually, I'm going to finish them all. I'm going to see if I can finish them all this week. Then I need for the rest, and then I'll have to worry about it. I think that's the goal today, or this week, is to finish all those song sheets. And then, let's see. Actually, I got the file cabinet yesterday. That was awesome. You gotta see this. I got a file cabinet, and this is nuts. It was like, and I got some cool lights for under my desk. Let's see. Actually, I'll try something. Let's see if this works. Lights. Let's do clean HDMI out. Particle interface. I'm trying to do something here real quick. Let's see, resolution, hardware, clean HDMI out. Oh, it's clean HDMI out. Let's see what this shows. Switch it. Tools. Camera. Stabilization. Good. Presets device. Hardware. Let's see. No. I don't even know. Oh well. Here we go. I'm just gonna show this. I'm gonna have some weird stuff on the screen, so oh well. We shall see. iPhone. Oh, I need to turn it sideways. Aspect wide. Haha. Oh, cool. So here's my desk. Da-da-da. I just got this new file cabinet right there, and there's some cool new lights now. Look at my messy wire job. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Actually, that was I think that was the last of the stuff I needed for the desk. That was the last pieces. So it's actually really cool. I like these lights. They're really fun because they change color, and you can put it on a timer, and it just makes the desk look cool. So I'm like, yeah, I have like the full-on setup. It's like the stuff I see on YouTube. So crazy. I'm one of those guys. But yeah, I got that all set up, and actually those LED lights are pretty cool. They just stick on to the bottom, and it has like a little control. But again, I think I want to do some like reviews on it, because like I was saying the other day, like searching for like the stuff that you need, and if you want a cool desk setup, there's a lot of things out there, and trying to find stuff that works for you, it's a process, man. Actually, I've been thinking about this since last year, and looking at different things. I almost got a laptop. Like, it was crazy. Like last year, before these M1s, I was like, dang, I'm gonna get a 16-inch. They have the new MacBooks, the MacBook Pros from last year, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get one of those. And thank God I didn't, because it would have cost me like, it would have been like $3,000 or something like that, 30 something. I was pricing it out. I think it was like 38 or something like that for the one I wanted. Was it? Oh no, it was like 32. I think it was like 3,200. And basically, I got this whole desk setup for under that price. That's so crazy. With a computer that's faster, monitor. I already had the other monitor. I already had the keyboard. I got that, the desk, and a hard drive, a new hard drive. Yeah, and cost the same as a MacBook 16-inch MacBook Pro from like 2019 or 2020. Yeah, that was crazy. I was just like, wow, Apple has changed the game. It's so crazy. They're supposed to come out with some new, I think, MacBooks this year, and they're supposed to be really fast. So, ooh, that's gonna be crazy. But I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy with this Mac M1. So far, it's been just pretty amazing. I haven't had any hiccups, and I don't expect any. But, geez, that's so awesome. That's awesome to do. Good to have. And again, I'm still getting used to not having any fan noise. It feels weird because it feels like nothing's working on my desk because I don't hear any noise. That's so weird. I'm so used to the fans going off when like I start a render on the Final Cut, like you hear it, like as soon as I hit start, like the fans start kicking up in the old MacBook. It's all wah, and it just gets loud. And I think I just got used to that, and now I hear the birds chirping. It's kind of crazy. So yeah, that's what happened. And then I got that done, and then actually I was super tired because I was going. I didn't take a nap. Usually I take a nap, so when I don't take a nap, I get tired at night. And we had meatloaf for dinner, but then I just chilled out. Basically, it was kind of working a little bit on my desk. You know, I have it all together, but there's like little things that I kind of want to, just make sure everything's in the spot, and then, it's kind of cool. Everything has a place, I guess, and it's nice to do that, especially when you're busy because you don't have time to like mess around. But yeah, I think that's all I have for us today. Today I have a Ook social. The car's still in the shop, so sorry, Maddie, I couldn't see you today. I do have a lesson. I usually have a lesson on Wednesday with the handpan with Maddie. She's 8-year-old in Palos Verdes. Maddie and Hattie. They're so awesome. I love hanging out with them. It's fun. I don't know. It's just fun to teach kids. I enjoy it. Enjoy hanging out with them. I think I've mentioned this before, like when we're at friends' functions, when they have kids and stuff like that, I usually don't hang out with the adults. I usually hang out with the kids. I'm out in the back playing or, something like that. So I'm just a big old kid. I love it. So I guess it keeps you young. But sorry, Maddie. I'm not going to see you this way, but I will see you next week, hopefully. Hopefully my car's going to be fine. But I'm sure it will. It'll be all right. And but Maddie, keep on practicing. I want to hear those notes. We're going to be playing. So but other than that, I have my Ook social tonight, which should be fun, and I'm just going to write songs, and I have some video editing to do for DII. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of take a slow roll today because I'm like, I don't know, I'm just tired. Actually waking up at 5 o'clock, I'm not used to that anymore. I was like, dang, that sucks. But anyways, that's all I have for me today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming the ukulele.